Alright guys, so in today's video, we are going to be taking some eBay coilovers and slamming the Miata. And as much hate as I get, these are some pretty good ones. They're just the same price as the typical eBay ones, but these ones have adjustable dampening and height and preload or whatever, so we're sitting pretty solid. It's not going to be a garbage ride quality, so we're going to be chilling. That being said, let's jack the car up, get the coils out of the box, show you guys what they are and how they look. Let's get right out there and start taking the old struts off the Miata. Alright guys, so I'm going to have to flip the video upside down for this, but it is called Ultimate Handling Master Damper Unit Adjustable Shock Absorbers. Yeah, pretty sweet, right? Alright, flip the video back. Alright, so the box was completely open before I got it. Some noob probably tried to check it out. So anyway, let's open these up. So I did take a look at these before, and I read this stuff. I don't know why it's ripped, but yeah, it is. All that, if you really care. And here they are, and pretty plain. They're all black. Nothing too special about them, except they have adjustable dampening up there. To the normal eye, these look pretty quality. I mean, they're all black. Again, pretty sweet though. I kind of like them. I think that is powder coated up there. Yeah, it should be pretty solid. So anyway, now that you guys have seen these, let's jack the car up and get the old struts off. Alright guys, so in here the suspension is pretty much almost out. What we're going to do is we're going to put this back in, we put them back on, connect them, and then we're going to remove the upper control arm, just the bolt right there, and disconnect that bolt from the sway bar so the bolt can go all the way out. So anyway, I'm going to connect everything and then disconnect it again. Look how easy that is. Yeah, you can step on it.
Oh my goodness, why couldn't the other side have been this easy?
We got one out. It's too good, dude. That's so easy, man.
This thing is dumb, you
You said you won't rev it.
I won't rev it? Alright.
Holy dude, the pop is real. He's like, I gotta hit this bump.
No rubbing? No rubbing?
I told you he's not gonna rub.
We're chilling.
Oh, there's a fat bump here. Just go slow. Hit it. I'm gonna hit it. Just go slow. That's what you gotta adjust to. You gotta adjust to when you see bumps and you know they're coming, you gotta slow down. Oh, it didn't even rub.
No, we're chilling.
But he blew it up.
Alright guys, so overall, the front ride height is pretty mint, it's pretty fresh, pretty solid, and yeah, so on the road there's no rubbing issues really at all. But now, we're working on the rear, and again, it is another 17 mil, and we'll drop this. Alright guys, so I don't know if I told you, but I did strip the lower control arm bolt holding in the suspension, and it's not like stripped on the head side, it's on the nut, and it's really weird. So anyway, we're gonna have to fix that in the next video. But again, this is what the car looks like with the new coils on, with the, I think it's like a 2-inch drop, and we got like the mint 2-finger fitment, no rubbing, no nothing. think we need a spacer on this, and we still got to tighten down the sway bar bolts. The rear is dropped quite a bit though, so we've got 3-finger fitment here. Just, I don't know, I think we might go lower. So yeah, I mean, they're pretty solid. I haven't really gotten any driving on them yet, but with that being said, I'll just go in the car and end it for you guys. Alright guys, so yeah, I mean, that is pretty much the whole install. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. Anyway, I will catch you guys in the next video with the full thing being done. I know it kind of sucks getting a 3 out of 4, so I can't drive the car with it looking like this, and the strut is starting to squeak a lot now, so it's like different. But anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next video when we do finish the car and lower it as much as possible with some good form. And next we'll have to work on our wheel fitment. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video with the lowering of the Miata even more, maybe even slam. But until then, goodbye.